Today we're going to add a coupon code using WooComnmerce in WordPress. So we go in the admin to WooComnmerce, go to coupons, and near the top of the page we see add coupon. And we have to give the coupon a name. So we will give it the name Friday. Description's optional. This doesn't do anything, it's just a note for you. And then it's going to be a fixed cart discount. And the amount, we're going to put 15%. The expiration date, you can set one or don't. We'll say it expires the end of the year. But you can, of course, change that. And then usage restriction. So if we search for products to exclude, there'd be too many to exclude. So it's better to exclude a category. So we're going to exclude, there it is, engagement rings. So everything's included in this 15% off except for engagement rings, and if you want to come back and change the date, you can do that. So I'm going to click publish, and now that coupon is active.